Hi Claude, how's it going?
It's going good.
Welcome back. We're gonna have another round of testing to do. So based on the history that we did and everything, we believe that it could be an acute appendicitis, which is most likely and what we think it is. So we're gonna run some tests to see if that is the case. It could also be if you were to be a female, which in this case the patient was a female. Side note here, could be an ectopic pregnancy, so that is not an ovarian pregnancy, or it could be an ovarian cyst. Another thing it could be is gastroenteritis, which is very unlikely because of the symptoms and stuff that you're presenting and the location. So, so we're gonna go ahead and do some tests to see what it is. So the first test we're going to do is we're going to auscultate the quadrants, and basically we're just going to see if there's any unusual sounds, and if everything's sounding normal, okay? And we're going to do 3 spots on each quadrant for 5 seconds each, all right? All right, everything sounds normal. So now we're going to be doing brucine. We're going to be checking for any whooshing sounds. We do not want to hear any whooshing sounds. And we're going to go ahead and start. We're going to switch to the bell because we need to hear better there. Okay, and for this, okay, so I'm going to have you breathe in and hold it. Okay, you can breathe out. Okay, now breathe in and hold it. Let go. Now breathe in and hold it. Okay, you can let go. And then for these, you can breathe normally. Okay, sounds good. There was no whooshing, nothing like that. And the bottom ones, it's okay if you breathe normally because it's far away from the heart. Next, we're going to do venous hum. Same thing with the bell. And we're going to go ahead and breathe in and hold it. Okay, and we don't want to hear any humming sounds. Okay, let go. Awesome, so it's all good. Okay, so now we're going to do some light palpation on the abdominal quadrants. And since we believe it could be appendicitis, we're not going to start at the right lower quadrant. We're going to start above it and go around. Okay, so we do just like the auscultation, 3 parts or 3 sections of each quadrant. And then we're just feeling to see if there's any masses, anything abnormal, or if you feel any pain as well. Because if you feel pain, that's not good. All right. Okay, now we're gonna do deep palpation. Can you have bend your knees up for me? Awesome. And here we go, like about an inch deep. All right. Sorry. Here we go. Okay. Okay, so if we feel a mass, we want to go ahead and check for it. You can go ahead and relax your legs. And can you go ahead and, so if we, let's say for example, we feel the mass right here. Okay, so I'm gonna have you do a small crunch forward, and then we feel, okay, you can let go. And basically, if the mass stays, it's a superficial mass, and if the mass we were feeling disappears, then it's a deep mass. Okay, and now we're gonna do rebound tenderness. Basically, I'm just gonna go push in and just release, and then you let me know if you feel any pain.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna toggle. Okay, so if you feel pain in any of the quadrants, that's Bloomberg sign, and that would be a sign of peritonitis. And if you feel pain, a sharp pain, upon rebound in the right lower quadrant, that would be Rosberg signs, and that would be a sign of appendicitis. All right, Claude. So next test we're gonna do is called psoas signs, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my hand here on your side right here, and I'm gonna push down right here, and you just bring that leg up. Okay. Any pain?
Nope.
Okay. So if you were to feel increased pain on the lower quadrant area, that would be a sign of appendicitis. All right, Claude. So now we're gonna do obturator sign, and I'm gonna have you bring this leg up to 90 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna hold it for support. My knee right here, like this. And so you're just gonna push against my hand, going in. Okay, now I'm gonna switch, and you're gonna push out. Good. Any pain?
Nope.
Okay, so if you were to feel pain, they could it's indicative of a ruptured appendix or a pelvic abscess. Awesome. So those are all the stuff we're gonna do today, and good thing you don't have appendicitis.
Amazing.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're
See
welcome.
you again next week.